Hello. Today we're going to talk about how to get onto Microsoft Teams using Office 365 in your Cobb County website. If you have been unable to get it, most likely it's because you have not been able to find what your student login is. So we're going to start with going to cobbk12.org, which is the site that we're on right now. If you go to cobbk12.org and click on Parents, then you should see Sign Up, Sign In. Go to Office 365, sign in. Okay, so this automatically brings me to my login because I've done it before. If you have not done it before, then it should give you a page where you put in your information. This is the information that you need to know. It is for students, it's your first dot last name at students@cobbk12.org. Let me annotate that right now. That's first name dot last name at students.cobbk12.org. So that is what you're going to use to log in. Now, some of you may have a different type of login. Like, let's say your name is Michael Hall. That is a common name. So that means that Cobb County had to add another letter or another number behind it because you may not have been the first one with that last name. So how do you know what your login is? The answer is you go to Parent View. Let me turn this annotating off. You can go to Parent View. So if you go to Parent View, this is my own son's Parent View. So once you go there, where you go to check your grades, you go to Account Login Information, and then you click on Account Login. Okay, this is where your current access to Office 365 is. So your network account username is, and this is my son, so it's amari.net@students.cobbk12.org. Your name will show up there and your login will show up there. Your password is the same password used in the Cobb County School District computer. So when you're at school and you go to a computer and log in, you log in normally with your lunch number and a password. This time you're going to use this as your username, and then you're going to use that same password that you use on the computer to log in. So once you get to Office 365 and you log in, so let's say yes, then it's going to bring you to this page. It's going to say, welcome, whoever you are. You're going to go to Teams, which is right here. And I have already added you into Teams. You've been in this class since that last day before we left for break. So you've been in this class since March 13th. If you have not logged in, all the assignments that you've done are available in there for you to complete and turn in. At this point, I'm grading from Teams and putting it into Synergy so that you can see your grade. So you will still turn in your assignments that way. That is not counting things that were due on Flipgrid because I can grade them from there as well. As you can see, this is third period, ninth grade environmental, and these are the assignments that you have. There are more that are past due assignments. So all you have to do is look through all these assignments and see what it is that you need to get done. In the Zooms, I talk about the speed dating assignment, the survivorship curves, the food web and food chains activity. All that is available here. I'm not posting it on Remind anymore because it's just a hassle to keep going back and forth, and that's not how I'm able to grade your assignments. So if you have any questions, I am first going to ask you if you have gone to the Cobb County website, logged into Office 365, and tried to use your student email to log in. If you have not done those things, then I'm going to be showing you, referencing this video. And that's all we have for today. Let me know if you have any questions.